Exercise 18. It's a word problem. Jordan is planning an event in a 4,800 square foot room. If there should be at least 6 square feet per person, what is the maximum number of people that could attend this event? Okay, so let's visualize it, although I'm not sure if we actually need to visualize that. We have a room that has an area of 4,800 square feet. Each person in that room needs a smaller area of 6 square feet. So, how many should there be at maximum in that room? All we have to do is divide the total area of the room by the area needed per person. So, 4,800 over 6, that should be, without the use of any calculator, equal to 800 square feet per person, which makes B the right choice for this exercise.